Okay, we are going to see my what's this what is this and something like that will be working. Okay, you can find me on GitHub also, so you can go to the next tool or change in plugin. Makes two commits here. Okay, let's see what is this looking like. It's just looking like that. It's taking some time to load. Okay, it's showing about various lines at OpenStreetMap. Yeah, it's not showing all of these because किनभने यसले चाहिँ यति टाइलको एउटा टाइलको लागि मात्र बनाइएको छ, यो धेरै टाइम खाने भएको हुनाले यसलाई चाहिँ हामी उयो गरेको हो। ओके, यो प्रोडक्सन सर्भर यहाँ खुलिसकेको छ, टु हल्का स्लो भइरहेको छ, सरी फर द्याट। ओके, लेट्स सी व्हाट इज ह्यापनिङ हियर। ओके, अहिले चाहिँ यहाँ केही पनि देखाइरहेको छैन। हामी जस्तै अब एनभिडिआई के छ हेर्ने, जस्तै एनडिडेम हेर्ने कि स्लोप हेर्ने होइन, जस्ट पिक अप द डेट, जस्ट pick up the one date and get things to if the map data is not shown in a specific area, the cloud cover made the 10% at that time, so it's not showing. Okay, just add the layer. We are not uploading new JSON file, means it gonna show on all over the world. Again, this how this program is working. Okay, you can see. Okay, what is showing is showing BEM is showing here. Okay, if you want to NDVI and select few of the dates, okay, and then okay, let's add this layer. Okay, they're showing the NDVI. Okay, this is not for here. It's not showing it. It means the cloud cover is not less than 10%, so it's not showing it in this particular region at that particular instance of time. So we can change the date method and it's gonna shown up. Okay, thank you very much.